So guys, in this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to teach you about LinkedIn activities. So basically, I'm going to give you an overview that how these activities can be examined and how you can analyze that what activity is going on your personal or professional LinkedIn account. So let's directly jump into our LinkedIn account and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now I'm in my LinkedIn account and this is the home section I'm in. So in order to access your activities section, you just need to go to your profile, basically in this section. As you can see here, view profile, click on view profile. Once you click on view profile, you'll be able to see your own profile here, right? If you scroll a little bit down here, you'll be able to see tons of options like analytics and resources and all. And if you have turned on your creator mode, so you'll be able to see these extra data as well. Now if you scroll a little bit down here in the activities section, you'll be able to see all the activities you have done in the last 5 6 7 8 whatever the time you want to choose, right? So now you just have to click on this see all post button, and once you click on see all posts button, you'll be able to see all the activities, all the posts you have posted recently or maybe a time ago. Like as you can see, I have reposted this Neil Patel's content, and this content got around this much engagement, like likes and reactions, comments and reposts, right? And if I scroll a little bit down more, you'll be able to see some extra posts over here. You'll be able to see how much impression you got, because right now I have turned on creator mode. If you click on this, you'll be able to see the analytics related to that particular post only, right? So you can examine your post one by one which you have posted on your profile using this activity section like this, right? I hope you are getting my point. Right now, if you go up here, you'll be able to see in your all activities, you'll be able to see 4 options: post, comments, images, reactions, right? So in comments, that where you have commented, or basically yes, where you have on which accounts or on which posts you have commented, you'll be able to see all that thing. Then in images, you'll be able to see all the images which you have uploaded, and reactions, or you'll be able to basically your reactions where you have reacted on the posts, on the videos, on the images where you have reacted. You'll be able to see that. So this was all about the activity section. I hope you got the point. Now in if you see this in the left hand side corner, you'll be able to see some hashtags, which is basically your interest, or if you use these hashtags on a regular basis, it will automatically show that you talks about these hashtags only, right? So I'm a copywriter, so basically I talk about these hashtags only: copywriting tips, copywriting for hire, like this, right? So I hope you got the point about how this all activities section works, where you can check out your all activities, where you can examine your activities, and if you want to check out that how many images you have posted, or which type of images you have posted, or where you have commented, where you have reacted, or the post which you have uploaded, or what are the analytics of those posts, what are the engagement they have got, you can check out in the activity section as well, right? I hope you got the point. This was short and simple video about activity section, and this is not a very kind of hard or a content which is not easy to understand, right? This is simple, short and sweet. So let's wrap up this video here. If you like this video, you can like the video, and obviously you can click on that subscribe button. Also, you can share this playlist with your needy friends who want to learn LinkedIn marketing, and even we have many more courses in our playlist section. You can check out the playlist and choose the course whatever you like. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.